Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share the latest tips and tricks to help you grow your e-commerce store. Today we are going to show you how to add a size chart to your Shopify store without the need of any coding skills or third-party apps. If you're struggling with finding the right solution to help your customers choose the perfect fit for their clothes or accessories, then stay tuned because we've got you covered. So over here you can see we are at Shopify, and on the left side we have our store over here. So if I open my store, obviously this is a new account, and if I scroll down I have added one picture over here and one product, and I'm going to add a size chart in this picture or product. So if I go back, and what you need to do, first of all, you need to click on online store. Once you click on online store, you will have many options available over here, but you need to go in themes, and you are going to make a copy of your theme, like existing theme. So how you can do that? Click on these icon and click on duplicate. Once you click on duplicate, it will make a copy of your whole store over here, and after that we are going to work on this, right? Just wait for a while, and let's see how much time it would take. As you can see, it's done and it has made a copy of our existing store, and obviously you just need to click on customize now. So once you click on customize, it will take us to our store, and here you can edit every single thing, but we are going to work on this particular product, right? So obviously I have already product like single product over here, and maybe you have many more. So how you can find that? You can easily go from over here, or you can just click on this on the top and you will find your products over here. Click on products. Default products, I have already one over here, right? Click on that and it will take me to over here because I have already one, and you might have more, but I had already one, so that's why it took me like directly to this product. So as you can see, this is the page, and on the left side we have our options over here, multiple. What do you need to add over here is size chart, right? On the left side we have our product information, and if you hover over it, you can see it would highlight what is product information on your screen right now. So you are going to add a block over here. Click on block, and the block would be collapsible row. Click on that and you can see it has been made, and on the right side we have our collapsible row over here. Right now I'm going to drag this on the top. You can just drag that on the top if you want. As you can see on the right side, everything you are going to work on the left side or right side of the screen, it would appear as a preview in the middle, as you can see. So I'm going with this one, and on the top right corner we can just name it like size chart. Obviously after that you can change the icon over here. If you click on this, you will have so many options over here. I'm going with the ruler, why not? And you can even add raw content if you want, but obviously we don't need that. And select page. Here we are going to create a page for size chart which we can add over here. So we have created a tab in a way, and once you click on tab, that would appear a page like under below over this chart, right? So right now we are going to create a page for size chart. Now just save this over here on the top right corner. Once you save this, this would be like obviously remain the same, and wait for a while and just easily click on top left corner exit. Right now we are back at the home, and now we are going to create a page, right? Click on pages on the like in this menu right down below online store, and you can see we have our options over here. I'm going to create a page, right? So on the top right corner, click on add page, and it will take you right over here, and I'm going to title this size chart obviously. And after, if you have an image for size chart, so you can just insert image from over here. Just click on this and obviously you can insert an image. And if you want to create a table for yourself, which size chart would do, right? Click on this insert table, and you can see we have so many options over here, like insert row above, insert below, a row below, column, and column after. So we can create our size chart over here. So I'm gonna simply add insert table, and once you click on this, it will end up over here. I'm gonna write over here United. Obviously this is very random, so I'm going with random things over here, United States, and I can just say like insert row below, and I'm gonna add over here extra small, again small, medium. So I'm gonna finish this as quick as possible. So as you can see, I have created my size chart over here, and I can just make it bold so it looks like obviously these are headings, right? And here we are. This is our chart for it. And remember, always give a space after creating chart. Why? Because this looks obviously helps people to understand, and clearly you can see that. After that, simply just click on save. Go back to your themes, click on themes, click on customize again, and right now we are going to add that page to our product. How? Obviously I'm going to find my product right now. Here we are. We have our size chart on the bottom right on this information, product information. Click on that, and we have our select page over here, select page, and we have our size chart over here. Click on that, and you can see once you click on and select that, you can easily change that after if you have if you will create more, or you create somewhere else and you choose that image, and you can just change that over here. You don't need to do all the process again. And if you click on this, you can see we have our obviously size chart over here, and it looks good. It's looking very good. And if I click on save, it's done. So let's see, if I go back out and click on online store, and if I open my store over here, go to my product, that is not available over here right now still. Why? Because we have created our copy for our page, right? You need to come back on this page on themes and click on publish, and once you click on publish, it will tell you that this will replace your current theme Dawn, which is currently active right now over here, as you can see. So I'm going to click on publish and easily click on publish, and now you will see that size chart would appear over here. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to open my store again and scroll down, open that product, and here we are. Our size chart is available over here, and if you scroll down, you will see your size chart over here. So that's it. There you go. We hope you find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Adding a chart like size chart to your Shopify store can make a huge difference, like in providing a seamless customer experience and increasing sales. So if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.